Shrimp, a nutrient-rich superfood for health. High-quality protein. Shrimp is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which helps building and repairing tissues, maintaining muscle mass, and supporting overall growth and development. Omega-3 fatty acids. Shrimp contains omega-3 fatty acids which have cardiovascular benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease and promoting heart health. Antioxidants. Shrimp contains antioxidants like astaxanthin, which helps protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Blood sugar regulation. The protein in shrimp, combined with its low carbohydrate content, can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Brain health. The omega-3 fatty acids in shrimp, particularly DHA, support brain health and cognitive function, including memory and mood. Shrimp provides essential minerals including selenium, an important antioxidant mineral that supports immune function and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Iodine, necessary for thyroid function and the production of thyroid hormones. Zinc, important for immune function, wound healing, and DNA synthesis. Shrimp also contains several vitamins, including vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe Chef Chili.